Vapors, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the Joyetech Espion. Alright guys, yes, today I'm taking a look at the Espion by Joyetech. Kind of reminds me Espion, espionage, like spy, and even when it starts up it kind of has like this James Bond theme going on. You'll see that in the up close, but I do have one for a giveaway as well for you guys, so if that's something you're interested in, just stay tuned. I'll talk about that a little bit later, but let's dive down close. I'll show you what comes in the kit and how to set it up. Here is the packaging that the Espion comes in. Open it up. Right on top we have a coil reference chart. Here is the mod. I do have the black that also comes in gunmetal or blue, and there is already an upgraded software for this, so right when you're getting yours you can upgrade it. It also comes with a user manual for the ProCore X, which is the tank that it comes with, a warning about the batteries, the user's manual for the Espion mod, a warranty card, a micro USB to USB cable used for charging and upgrading firmware. This box will have the tank in it. Here is the ProCore X. It does have a coil pre-installed. It comes with the Pro C1 and the Pro C1S. It's a 0.4 ohm and a 0.25 ohm. This is the 0.4 ohm one installed. Here is the extra 0.25 ohm coil. Here is an extender for the air shaft because the ProCore can go from 2 to 4 mils, and it does come with a glass tube for the 4 mils and extra O pieces. So you open and fill the ProCore by pushing it back where it has that little drop, and you can open it, and I just broke my nail opening it, so I'm pretty mad about that. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up with Summit's Kiss by Bonsai Seasons. This is my favorite winter flavor right now. It is a peppermint red velvet, and you can get it for 20% off if you use my code TIA20. Alright, got that filled up. And put it on top. 510 connection is centered. So here's the Espion. It does have a 1.4 inch screen. We have a mode button, the up and down regulatory buttons, the micro USB port. On the side we have a large fire button that does say Joyetech. On the bottom we have a hinge locking battery door for two 18650s. You can see plus and minus on which direction to put your batteries, and down in there, you can't really see it on this camera, but there is a plus and minus here on the back. It does say Espion. This mod is 113 millimeters by 43 millimeters by 28 millimeters. Go ahead and put some batteries in here. Alright, the batteries are in, and it turns on. Oh, it kind of had like that James Bond signal. And the screen displays a time which needs to be set. We have both battery lives that kind of look like bullets. That's kind of cool. We have the power mode that it's in, and the level of power that it is, and also specifically the Celsius or Fahrenheit because we're in temperature, so it does show you all of that information. Then the power level here for the watts, which can be adjusted while you're in TC mode. We have the resistance of the coil and the working amps. Press the mode button once and it turns off the screen. Press and hold the mode button, and then you can change from TI, SS, TCR memory 1, TCR memory 2, TCR memory 3, and to wattage mode. And when you're in wattage mode, this does display the voltage, and you hold the mode down again from that and you go to this screen, which does show date as well as a clock. So if I press and hold it for a long time without letting up, it does toggle through like I already showed you, and it does go from 1 to 200 watts in temperature mode. Fahrenheit is 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, with the Celsius being 100 degrees Celsius to 315 degrees Celsius. Now, since I haven't updated the firmware, I'm guessing that's why it's not going all the way up to 200, either that or the battery level. But like I said, you can upgrade yours. Oops, I meant to push the down button and I pushed the mode button. But I can still adjust it, and I can see it in the corner. So definitely you want to upgrade your firmware as soon as you get yours. 3 clicks takes you into the menu mode, and then you use the up and down arrows to toggle between which option you want, and then use the mode to select. And then we can go through all the options this way instead. Menu to select. It takes us back to this screen. What kind of colors do we have? Oh, we have all these colors. That's nice. I'm just gonna do blue. If you press and hold the plus and minus buttons at the same time, you will key lock the device, which means you cannot adjust the power, but you can still fire it. Press and hold the plus and minus button at the same time to unlock it. And then you're free to adjust once more. And that's how you navigate through the system that it comes with. Again, upgrade your firmware. It'll be a little bit different. So let's take it up to FaceTime and have a vape. You guys, do you want a vape? Do you want a vape? Alright guys, so that is the Espion with the ProCore X. Now they do claim that this is safe to charge your batteries in, just plugging in the USB cord. It does have an equalized charging system. I personally I have a big charging bay for batteries, so I do tend to take out my batteries and charge them that way almost always. It does have onboard reversed polarity protection and dual circuit protection. Now like I said multiple times, you need to upgrade this. As soon as you get it, you can upgrade the firmware. I did not upgrade my firmware this time, but I'm definitely going to, as this mod particularly didn't go all the way up to 200 watts, and I think that's because I need to upgrade it. Now this is at 71 watts. That's like, it's almost force feeding and reminding me of like the TiaVapes tanks. So I'm personally going to take mine down because I don't need that much power behind my vape. I'll take it down to 65 watts and try it there. Much better, much easier for me to control the amount of vapor that is coming at me. The flavor is coming through nicely on this tank. I have had the ProCore tank before. I don't know if I've had the ProCore X. This is the X version, so it's an upgrade. Actually, no, I think maybe the X came with the last Joyetech mod that I looked at. I'm not certain, but this flavor is coming through fantastically. It is so pepperminty and red velvet cake at the same time. Perfect winter flavor. Clouds, bitch. Whew. I think this would be a great mod for people who liked theme mods, kind of like those car mods I recently looked at. This kind of has the spy theme going on, so if you're like a James Bond fan, this might be something that you'd want in your collection. And just lucky enough, I happen to have one for a giveaway for you guys, so make sure you check all the giveaway details below in the description box before you enter. But all you have to do to enter is tell me what your favorite spy movie is down in the comments below. And I cannot believe I didn't notice this in the close-up. Was that on my box? It was. There's like a guy in a suit and tie, James Bondy type guy right on the freaking cover, and I didn't even notice that when I opened my own box. I like that the fire button is a nice large fire button and it's a different color than the rest of the mod, so it's easily located with the Joyetech logo right on it. And if you're interested in checking out this mod, you don't want to wait to see if you're the one out of hundreds of people that's going to win the one I'm giving away. I will leave a link below to where you can check it out for yourself. But that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Check the description box below for important links like where to get my favorite things like e-liquids, mods, etc. You can follow me on almost any social media site like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or Snapchat. All those social media links will be below. I also have a Patreon account where I do monthly vape-related rewards over there. Some of the top tier rewards are getting e-liquid or mods or both sent to you monthly from me, so check that out if you're interested. I'll also leave a link below to that. And one more thing before you go, if vaping is something you're passionate about, please learn how you can fight for your right to vape. So as always, I'm Tia, and thank you so much for watching.